Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Baldur's Gate 3 for couch co-op. First, ensure two controllers are connected to your system, whether it's a PC or console. Then, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. Select the multiplayer option and choose Host to begin your shared adventure. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for the journey ahead with a friend. Once the host has started a new game or loaded an existing save, the second player can join. Simply press any button on their connected controller to activate their character. You will both then have the opportunity to create new characters or select from existing ones. After confirming your choices, your epic adventure in Faerun will officially begin together. Baldur's Gate 3 features dynamic split screen, meaning the screen will divide when your characters move apart and seamlessly merge back into one when you are close. In combat, each player controls their own character, making tactical decisions independently. Outside of combat, you'll need to collaborate on dialogue choices and exploration, truly sharing the experience. For the best co-op experience, communication is key. Talk through your strategies, share valuable loot, and consider how your character builds can complement each other in combat. Remember to take your time, explore every corner, and immerse yourselves in the rich story. Playing with a friend adds a fantastic new dimension to this incredible role-playing game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.